I mean, the Sunrise is the biggest private telecom operator in Switzerland. We are owned by Liberty Global, and we just got acquired by them, and we are profiting of being part of this big group and now taking all the technologies that they are bringing to us. Sunrise is offering mobile, TV, internet, and fixed network services. Currently, we cover 90% of the households in Switzerland with our gigabits propositions. You know, Sunrise is the only operator in Switzerland that was awarded 6 times in a row as excellent in terms of mobile 5G network. And also last year we've been awarded as the best internet provider in Switzerland. We are running a big transformation. We call it a digital transformation, but digital doesn't mean only transforming the front-end layers. The back-end, so BSS and OSS layers are playing a big role. We are implementing 2 big projects to adapt our charging systems in a way that we can support the 5G business propositions, and also the provisioning automation for our B2B stack to reduce the manual steps and create an optimization of the B2B operations. We had a very interesting journey with Nokia. We were already using their platform, but we decided to embark into a journey that was being bold on our side. In the charging area, for example, we bought the solution that was not yet complete and not yet ready for the market. Back in end of 2018, we decided to build it together. So the Sunrise, at that time was only Sunrise team, and the Nokia R&D worked together to complete the solution and to bring it live. It has been a win-win situation because for us, now we have been the first in Europe and the second in the world to go live with a new generation charging platform. And for Nokia, you can imagine it was the best way to implement and fine-tune their features in a real production environment. So we are now live, and we are continuing the implementation and the introduction of the new features of this charging platform. On the provisioning layer, we also have introduced the new Nokia Flow One platform that has been a big, let's say, investment, not only for the provisioning layer, because with the time, we discovered that Nokia has signed out this partnership with the Salesforce, and having us also in the plan to implement the Salesforce ecosystem has given the possibility to build this end-to-end automated workflow for our B2B operations. And we kind of found out that there were pre-integrated out-of-the-shelf possibilities to basically run the entire end-to-end journey from the lead management, the order orchestration, and the service provisioning. So that has been a very great help for us to support our B2B colleagues. We had to replace the homemade solution that at that time we had and build it into the new platform. So it's a multi-year project, but we were lucky enough that at the moment of the merge, we already had the capabilities to support our business roadmap and enable them to go live just in a 6 months' time with the capability of the cable provisioning and the LG television also for the Sunrise customers. So now we are able to give to the entire base, regardless if it is UPC or Sunrise, the same technology products. And this is a big added value also for the next commercial proposition that all our customers will see in the next future. The beauty of this system that we acquired is that due to its new technologies and this modernity, call it like this, it's easily integrated with the surrounding platforms. And so it made our life not simple, but at least we had the technology to support our plans. On the BSS, the biggest transformation that we are running now is really to create this automated flow COM/SOM, so commercial order management and service order provisioning, all in the as much as possible automated manner. And with that, so on top of this, we are moving into the also charging direction to support the 5G business propositions, due to the fact that we are expecting a lot of ideas coming from our business, and here is B2C and B2B, you know, the new generation of products. We need to be able to charge use cases that real time. So the charging platform needs to be with a very low latency to react and charge as real time and stop the services based on the customer portfolio, or reactivate, and also capable to manage a lot of IoT solutions. And this was also part of our, not only technical, but also contractually, we managed to have a license model with Nokia that will allow us to introduce IoT in our business cases, not at the cost of a normal SIM. So a sensor is not equivalent to a SIM in a way, and so the commercial proposition is also very valid. And also we will support the ideas of possibly soon to come the network slicing, and without this charging platform we could not be able to do this. Again, as I already highlighted, is to manage to remove manual steps into our operations. So it's going towards an end-to-end journey that can be as much as possible automated and as least as possible developed in IT. So we want our business to be able to configure and prepare their propositions using the building blocks that IT is providing to them. And it's also critical to optimize the speed, the time to market, and the cost of our projects.